Yep. Welcome to the channel. Okay, my brother's gonna add another accessory to his bike, and we'll see what it is. All right, so what's he got? He's got a what the hell do you call this? Kickstand, fucking adapter plate, fucking I don't know what do you call it.
A lot of people do call them a kickstand pad.
Yeah, kickstand pad that you mount on your kickstand,
Yep.
and it stays on. Not like the discs that we have for our bikes, but you got this from Traxxion Dynamics.
Yep. There's a lot of companies out there. I just kind of like the shape of this one.
Yep. So, yeah. Me, you know, I got the little plastic fucking disc in my saddlebag that I got to throw down on the ground all the time. So, but, all right. Should be pretty simple for a couple state workers to put on, hopefully.
Oh, sure.
Look at that beautiful bike. Yes. So this thing has, as you can see there, 2 holes there. So what you do is you slide this, right? It goes on like which way? Yeah, it goes on like this, right? Yeah, there we go. All right.
I'm just gonna double check.
So it's got 2 holes there, and it has these little Allen, I don't know what you call them, whatever. These screw in. You take the long ones, you screw those in. All right, all the way in.
Make sure you put Loctite on those.
Put Loctite on them, screw them all the way in. And then you take the smalls and then you screw them behind so that they stay in.
Yep.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so I'm sitting on the bike so he can have it off the ground, the kickstand off the ground. You slide it on.
Did you tell them that we put the...
And it says to tighten up the long screws first, put Loctite on them. Tighten up the long screws.
Okay.
Good. Does it wiggle anymore?
Nope.
All right, so, and then you put the other screws in, the shorter ones.
They call them jam screws.
Jam screws, so they'll go up against the other ones you put in so they don't back out.
Yeah, the independent one there. Yeah.
Yes. Yep. There, it's all done.
Yep. Flip it up.
And then you should be able to just flip it up. Can you see?
Yep.
All right.
And then you put it back down.
Put it back down.
And set her back.
Boom.
Right, that's a much better footprint.
All right, let's see here. Let me spin the camera around and show you. All right, now it's on. I'll throw the link down below where you got it from.
Yep, from Traxxion Dynamics. Yep.
Traxxion Dynamics. How much you pay for it, roughly? It'll be on there.
It'll be on there, but
Yeah.
I think it was like, I can't remember.
Yeah, he doesn't remember how much you paid for it, but it'll be, the link will be, you know, in the description. Okay, so that was the foot pad from Traxxion Dynamics that he installed on his bike. Let's see here. That'll be today's video. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.